Alright guys, welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So I got two tri-tips. This one's almost they're both almost 4 pounds. So I'm gonna do an experiment tomorrow with these two tri-tips. I'm gonna make teriyaki tri-tip. So let's just go ahead and start trimming these guys up. I'm gonna take it all off, clean this whole entire tri-tip off, only because I want the marinade to go deep into the meat. Get yourself a really sharp knife. Glide your knife. Just be gentle with it. Take off that silver skin. Try to get right under it. Just cut it. Pull and let the knife do the work. See that? Not too much meat. Pretty thin. Sometimes you can stick your fingers in here and pry it open. Kind of get it started. Just let the knife do the work. I don't have the best cutting skills, but I do manage. Just like so, guys. Kosher salt on both of them. Let's just go ahead and season. Simple seasoning, guys. Give that a quick pat, and then we got some black pepper, coarse black pepper. Try to get those sides. Go ahead and put it in a Ziploc bag, just as is. Light brown sugar, nice handful teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and use the whole entire bottle, just like this. This is a 10-ounce bottle of teriyaki sauce. And just mix it around. Make sure that brown sugar gets broken down. I've been creating this recipe as far as I can remember. If you guys like your meat on the sweet side, man, this is the way to go, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy in the refrigerator. And this one, I'm gonna make a homemade teriyaki sauce. And I wanna know what the difference is. Which one's better? Because in this family, we love teriyaki, everything. So it's an experiment, if you will. All right, let's get started on that sauce. I got 3 garlic cloves. Got a little knob of ginger. I'm gonna go ahead and just peel it. So just go ahead and mince it up. Pretty simple, guys. Just mix it all together. These aromatics are beautiful. Medium high heat, a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure we don't burn our aromatics. You just want to wake them up, and that hot oil will wake them up. It's gonna be delicious, guys. This takes 2 to 3 minutes to do a medium high heat. Some mirin, 3/4 of a cup, 3/4 of a cup of soy sauce, and then I got some sake, 3/4 cup of that as well. Probably a good solid cup of light brown sugar. This has been going for the last 4 to 5 minutes. Let's give it a quick taste test. See if it needs any more sugar. Damn, that's good just the way it is. All right, so what I got going here is some cornstarch. It was 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and it's about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. Go ahead and add that in there. Wow, that's pretty good. Just mix it in. This is going to thicken up our sauce. And when I tasted it right now, I didn't taste no sake. I didn't taste no alcohol whatsoever. Pretty good. It's getting nice and thick. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this go for another minute or two, and I'll shut off the flame, and I'll bring you back once we put this marinade in the tri-tip. Go pour it in the bag. Took about an hour to cool down. This sauce is much thicker than the other recipe that I have. Try to get all this goodness in here. Just mix this around. Tomorrow we will find out which one's better. My recipe, the one that I've been using for years, or the homemade teriyaki sauce. We'll find out. Just like that, straight in the fridge. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. You already know, I'm gonna rock the fire cups. We got some red oak, and we're gonna grill these tri-tips. See what they look like. Damn, it smells amazing, guys. See if you guys can get a nice little close-up. Isn't that gorgeous? Just very gorgeous. There's a really dark color to it. Look at this one. Just beautiful. All right, let's go see if that fire's ready. Let's grill these tri-tips. I'm so excited to find out which one's gonna taste better. I'm hoping mine beats this one, but we'll see. And I'm gonna put it up against my Meter Plus. See if it's up to the task. And if it is, I'll let you guys know. Quick review on this. So let's go beef. Going with roast. We're going with tri-tip. And I'm looking for a medium. 145, medium rare, 135. Let's shoot for 135. And then the carryover, probably go to a 140. So we'll start cook. Go ahead. Okay. Internal temp right now is 52 degrees. Beautiful. This is when you know when to turn, when you start getting some good color. What you're trying to avoid is for it to burn. You can get some great barbecue just grilling. Let the flames lick the meat. And then you can just kind of turn them around so they can get even cooking. I ended up putting another thermometer in this one. Kind of lean the tri-tip to this side so this side can get cooked as well. This one's much thinner than this one. Just trying to promote even heat around the tri-tip. See that? Beautiful. What I want to do is bring this tray up right here with the homemade sauce, and this one's the homemade sauce right here. Bring it back in here, let it chill in there a little bit, get it nice and coated. Bring it back in here. This one. Lean it to the side right there so we can get some even cooking going. This side's much hotter, so we turn more often. It is ready. 135. We're gonna let this rest. We cannot put it in the trays that we have the marinade. Just don't mix raw with cooked. It's a big no-no. So let's take this inside. Check it out. Nice quick little close-up. I'm gonna put this inside and rest it. 134 and 134. So this works. All right, guys. This has been resting for 20-25 minutes. So you can see the grain. It's coming this way. And then it goes out long this way. So let's just make our first cut right here. Beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. I want you guys to see this. Beautiful, right? Nice and juicy. We'll just go ahead. The grain's coming this way, so we're gonna cut against the grain. This is a little bit more medium rare. Look at this. Plenty juicy, guys. So let's go with my original marinade. So plenty juicy, right? I don't want to be dripping everywhere. All right, cheers. That's delicious. Let's go with the homemade marinade sauce. Plenty juicy. Freaking delicious. It's so tender, juicy, flavorful. It's freaking delicious, guys. Wow, man. Those are two good tri-tips, man. Real good tri-tips. Let me say this. I really thought mine was gonna win. My brown sugar and teriyaki sauce, because I've been using that for years. Damn, I'm disappointed. It didn't win. The homemade sauce won 100 times better. It knocked it out of the park. Ah, man. But it's all good, guys. It's all good. Now you know which one to go for. The homemade is 100 times better. The flavors they're more there. They're more pronounced. You can taste them more. You can taste the ginger. Everything comes through. In my recipe, my family recipe, you can taste, it's like salty. Too bad mine didn't win, but it's all good. This is why we do the experiment, so we know which is better. Well, thank you guys for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. If you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. I also want to give another shout out to TPC Cooks, Sleeper Barbecue, and Salt and Pepper and Fire. There are 3 good buddies of mine. You guys go subscribe to those guys. Give those guys a lot of love. You guys have a good weekend, and I'll catch you guys later.